BHC. And this one's a spin out, of course, Bausch Health. Never got as back to as big a number as it was taken out at. But now that it's spun out and it's on its own standalone company, they still do what most of you recognize them for. And that is, anything that has to do with your eye health, over the counter, dermatology and gastroenterology, that kind of stuff. Bausch Health, BHC. It's down pretty hard today, Pete. And in fact, it's down about 10% on heavy turnover today. Their CFO is leaving in about 3 weeks. Now, that's not like a lot of time to find another CFO, but the reason that the person is leaving is they've been offered a job somewhere else, perhaps where they have more upside. So it doesn't seem like they're being given the boot.
Right. No. And I'll tell you what, John, I think that it's interesting. There's a transitional period, as you just talked about, Dave. Their last earnings cycle, very strong. Year over year, it was a big beat. When you look at their revenue, up about 10% year over year as well. So it's a pretty solid company. It's getting hit today based upon what we're talking about here as far as the CFO. If that transition goes smooth, I think this is a company that we all at least ought to maybe kick the tires a little bit, John, because their earnings have been solid. Obviously, losing a CFO for the wrong reasons would be a bad thing. I don't know if this is the wrong reasons. He's just stepping out to get a better job, in his opinion, and I think that's fine. I think this is a company that has a lot of debt, but they also, and it's because of all the acquisitions that they make. But on top of that, John, they have a hell of a lot of free cash flow, about nearly $1 billion. So when you look at that side of it, I think fundamentally this is a company that still has plenty of room maybe to the upside.
Yeah, on a dip like this, Pete, like you say, free cash flow of $1 billion, and it's a $3 billion company. You heard that right, folks. It's not a $200 billion company. It's not a $50 billion company. Right now today, $2.76 billion. And yet free cash flow of $1 billion seems like it's a pretty interesting buy down here. Yeah. I might have to pull the trigger on some shares today too, Pete.
Want more from Market Rebellion? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and learn more about options trading at marketrebellion.com.